Hey, what's up, folks? The G-Man here from the X Factors to Success. You know, I want to get myself inspired, also share my inspiration to you all. And today's insight is this: as part of my X Factors to Success, which pertains to faith. Let us release fear and replace it with faith. Faith in yourself. Faith in what you believe in. Release the toxins of the people from the outside that say no, you can't do this, you can't do that. You know, I've been going through interesting journeys in my own life, and I wanted to share with you, and I feel very inspired to do that. If you're passionate about that, and live your life in your own terms. I'm living my life in my own terms. Forget about the past. Yes, we learn from the past. However, we have to live in our own terms, not someone else's terms. You know what to do. You know what to say. You have to take action, take massive action, and be determined to believe in yourself and become the best version of yourself. Anyway, I'm taking a little break right now, and I think I'd give you a quick little shout out. I love you all. I sincerely say that. I begin to really understand that, you know, as we begin to continue on in life's journey with all the toxic stuff that goes on around us, forget about it. Leave the shit behind, all right? The G-Man here. Love you all. Send you greetings and gratitude on a wonderful Friday. Have a great weekend, and God bless you and God bless America. Ciao.